Welcome to this tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently disable lines in empty Powerclip frames. This is Coreldraw 2024, and if you are using a lower version, you can also achieve same result. So let's assume now you have this shape. Okay, let me add color to it. Okay, let me remove the outline, and you have another shape also here. Okay, smaller one. Let me add color to it. Good. I'm going to power clip this one, this blue one, this yarn into this other one, so you can understand what I'm trying to explain to you here. Okay, so I'm going to right click and click on what power clip inside. Then I'll power clip this inside. Have you seen? Good. I've power clip this into this other shape here. But when I right click and click on extract contents, have you seen? Have you seen these lines? Let me remove the color. Have you seen? Let me put outline so that you see. Look at, have you seen this blue outline? Have you seen? You can now see that there are what? Two lines here crossed. And these lines can be very dangerous whenever you want to print on a machine like the large format machine. Let's assume you have flex banner you want to print. There are some printers that whenever you leave these lines like this, whether knowingly or unknowingly, these lines will be printed and it will show on your final copy when printed out. So how will you avoid this kind of mistake? If you right click now and let's say you just click on, look at this frame type, you just click on remove frame, you are only doing this temporarily. You have not removed it permanently. You have not disabled it on this particular version installed in your PC. Okay, you have only done that on this particular file alone. Okay, so for you to disable this feature, let me undo this feature permanently. How you do that in a very simple way. Okay, now take note, if you have any image or anything you power clip into a frame and you want to print the large format kind of a printer, also make sure that on their own system that line is off. You can off it for them. Okay, disable same for them. For your own PC, disable it. Okay, whenever you are designing or whatever you want to do with your software, those lines won't be there. But on their own, okay, where you want to print, the system they use for printing, always disable this line. Why? If you don't disable this line on their own version 2 on their PC, whenever they make mistake by either shifting that object inside your frame or trying to extract and they now print, these lines will come out. Sometimes those lines are even hidden. It will definitely come out. So let's disable these lines permanently. Okay, let me delete this. Now you've seen your tools here. Have you seen your tools menu? You can also click Ctrl+J or click on tools menu. Okay, have you seen tools menu? Have you seen options? Now move and click on what? Coreldraw. As you can see, the tools menu shortcut key is Ctrl+J. Okay, click on what? Coreldraw and wait for this to load. Now have you seen this has opened this environment? Now if you are using a lower version, what you see is what? You still see tools menu, then you move to where you have your tools. As you open it, you see workspace. Click on workspace and you see Powerclip. Okay, when you go to your tools menu, okay, you will see workspace. Click on workspace and you see Powerclip. Now look at this place. Have you seen this place? It says show lines in empty Powerclip frames. Have you seen? Now untick this box, uncheck it. Have you seen? I've unticked it now. Now it's a very simple thing. Click on OK and those lines are gone permanently. So even if I draw another shape here, have you seen? Let me still add this our cyan. Okay, now I'm going to add this one blue. Move the outline. I'm going to still power clip this same shape into this one. Have you seen? I'll power clip. Now I've power clipped it. Now have you seen that one? I'm going down to what? Extract contents. Have you seen? I've extracted it. As you can see, no lines are here again. So this is how you do what? You disable those lines permanently, so it will not affect your final copy or your print copy. Okay, so do well to go through this tutorial over and over if you don't understand, and make sure you achieve same result. As I've said, always make sure this feature is disabled on your PC or in your PC. Okay, this version, the only time this will come back is when you uninstall this version and install again. So whenever you install a new version or a new version of Coreldraw, always make sure you always do this. Okay, always go to your tools menu. Have you seen? Click on option, go your options, click on Coreldraw. That is for higher version. Like I said, this is Coreldraw 2024. So for lower version, you still see tools. Then you go to options. When you click on options, you see other things like appearance, workspace, or general. Just click on what. Don't leave every other one, the general and the rest. Just click on what, workspace, and you go down to where you have power clip. Remove that power clip line, untick that box, and you achieve this result. Okay, I know you've learned something. Do well to come back here to this channel and watch more of these valuable tutorials. Thank you.